Introducing Proline's Vexair Inline blower. Precision crafted and designed to bring you a blower built to perform day in, day out, under the toughest of circumstances. Made possible by our centrifugal fan, sealed motor housing, and high-quality bearings, all working harmoniously together to deliver a powerful 1,300 CFM blower with a near-silent operation. Available in our Pro V and HE series hoods, the inline blower is designed to be installed securely in the attic away from your hood, giving the end user an ultra-quiet operation. Mounting within the framing also helps isolate vibration, making it even quieter than traditional hood-mounted systems. The affixed brackets make installation in the attic fast and secure, whether it's new or retrofit construction. Using a variable speed control, the inline blower can be controlled for your liking. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing steaks on high heat, the inline blower gives you the total control over your kitchen environment. Dial in exactly the ventilation you need, whisper quiet for everyday meals, or full power to clear heavy smoke and grease in seconds.